Where's the pen? No, it can't be seen. No, now it can. Hi everyone. Today we are doing some MCQs, and what I want to do necessarily is to guide you all as to how to attempt the MCQ questions. We'll be solving a lot of MCQs today, and most importantly, we are doing the income from salary MCQs. Those who are with me, we have already completed income from salary. I've taken 2 marathon lectures, completed income from salary. I'm assuming and I'm hoping you all are with me at my speed. And today we'll see the MCQs, test your knowledge, test my teaching, and let's see where we are. Okay, you all have any questions, put it in the chat box. Keep liking the video so that I know that you all appreciate these videos, and I will come back with new content and new information every time. Okay, we'll wait for around a minute or two because there are people who are still joining. Please ask your friends to join. Share it. I've come live. I'm doing a lot of MCQ questions today. And I'm doing exam questions also. So ask your friends to join, please. I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Let your friends join. Tell them to join, please. It will be helpful. I'm not going to take these lectures again. And this is applicable for everyone. For CA, CS, CMA, income tax is same across. So please attend. Ask your friends to attend. I can see people are still joining. Come on. I'm doing MCQs, so what I require from you all, get a book, get a pen, calculator. 3 things, get it as fast. We are starting at sharp 8:10. There are people who are still joining. Get a book, a pen, and we can start. Book, pen, and a calculator. Ask your friends to join. Okay? And whatever we have studied, please keep it handy. It will be helpful. I'm going to share these lectures and notes. Hi, Anika. I'm hoping you all have these notes that we have studied from. If not, I had told you all get a Banger. Banger is the best book. I studied from a Banger. Also, all of you all here, are you all in the Telegram group? I share a lot of notes also. I'm going to share our entire textbook, Jahangir tutorial textbook with you all on the Telegram group. Join the Telegram group. Okay, next 30 seconds we are starting. Get your book and pen. Let's start. The first question that we are doing is your gratuity act. Open your gratuity. We had studied in a tabular format, in a chart format. I hope you all have that handy. I want you all to remove income from salary gratuity part. Let's start. First question. Bimal is employed in a factory at a salary of 2,400 per month. He also gets dearness allowance and a bonus of 200 per month. He retired on 31st December 2020 and received 75,000 as gratuity under the Payment of Gratuity Act. Immediately when you see this, it should strike you. This is POGA employee. Payment of Gratuity Act after serving 31 years and 4 months. If it is POGA, okay, so there are three things in POGA. What is under section exemption under section 1010? Amount received 20 lakhs or 15 upon 26 into completed years of service plus into last drawn salary. Okay. See this. Now I'm reading the question. He completed 31 years and 6 months and 4 months in that factory. The amount of gratuity exempt will be dash. Okay, so now they are asking you what is the amount of gratuity exempt. Also, I will then twist the question. Let's do this one first and then we'll do a second part also to the question. So first it should strike you. What is the provision? Section 1010. Amount received. What is the amount received? I am writing here. Exempt amount will be first one. Amount received is 75,000. Okay. 20 lakhs is the max limit. And the third one. 15 upon 26 into completed years of service into last drawn salary. So let's calculate it. 15 upon 26 into completed years of service plus. Plus means what? If it is more than 6 months, then you have to take 1 year. So this is not more than 6 months. If it was 31 years and 6 months, you would have taken 31 years. If it is 31 years and 4 months, 31 years and 7 months, 32 years. Okay, and now you will take last drawn salary. What is important is, what is salary? Salary is what? Basic plus dearness allowance. See, when you are a POGA employee, you do not get any bonus. You are a government employee, nothing related to turnover or anything you will get. So, bonus is excluded. Okay, bonus is excluded, not taken into consideration. You will only take dearness allowance and you will take your basic salary. So, this will be 2,400 plus 600. You will not take into account this. This is not taken into account because your salary is B plus DA for POGA. If it was your normal non-POGA employee, you would have taken B plus C plus D. What is B? Basic. C is commission if related to turnover. D is dearness allowance, that is retirement dearness allowance or in terms. Okay, so last drawn salary in this case will be 3,000. Solve this, put it on your calci, solve it. What is the amount? When you solve it, you will get 53,654. Okay. Now, what is the least of the following? Obviously, it will be 53,654. This part is, this is the one which will be exempt. Least of the following is exempt. Now, I'm going to twist it a little bit and y'all are going to give me the answer. Y'all are going to give me the answer And I want Ayush, I want you to put it on the chat box. What is the taxable amount? I have solved for you all. What is the amount that is exempt? Ayush and others also, come on. I want you to tell me what is the taxable amount. 30 seconds. Ask your friends to join. Ask your people to join. Okay, what is the taxable amount? How do you find taxable amount? If I have received 75,000, exempt is 53,654. What is the taxable gratuity? We found the exempt gratuity. What is the taxable gratuity? Come on. Put it in the chat box. Harshil, Preetam, Anika, put it in the chat box. I want to see the answers. I've given you all what is the exempt amount. We've solved it together. I want to see what is the taxable amount. Okay, I don't see any answers. So let me solve it. Amount received minus exempt amount is equal to taxable amount. So what is the taxable gratuity? Amount received 75k, exempt amount 53,654. This remaining will be exempt. 2, 1, 3, 4, 6. Perfect. Okay. Are you all with me? Put it in the chat box. I won't understand otherwise. Very easy. Okay. Brilliant. Ishika, Satanya, Harshil. Brilliant. Tanisha. Okay. Now this was very easy. Understood gratuity concept. You solve this, you get gratuity. In and out. Let's revise. Section 1010 gives you exemption. Amount received 20 lakhs is the fixed amount of 15 upon 26 into completed years of service plus into last drawn salary. Okay. What do you take for last drawn salary for POGA? B plus DA. What do you take for non-POGA? B, C, D. Basic plus commission plus DA. C is commission related to turnover. DA is retirement dearness or intern. Alright. I'm doing the next one. Now, this is related to pension. So let us revise pension first. Pension is under section 1010A. Exemption is under section 1010A. Pension, the amount that you receive, lump sum, will be exempt under section 1010A. If you receive monthly pension, it will be fully taxable. Fully taxable. If you receive monthly pension, fully taxable. Now, if you receive lump sum amount, that is exempt. The lump sum amount is called commuted pension. It is called commuted pension. So let's do it. Akash is entitled to get a pension of 6,000 rupees per month. He gets 60% of the pension commuted. So out of 6,000, he gets 60% commuted. That means 6,000 is the full value. I'm writing full value is 6,000. Okay, he gets commuted only 60% of the pension. So that means he gets commuted how much? Full value is 6,000. He gets commuted 3,600. That is 60% of the pension. That's what they said. Is commuted, that is converted into lump sum. Now, they are saying this 3,600 is the 60% which he received how much? He received 3,60,000 rupees. This is the commuted value. Okay, of 60%. When I say lump sum is 3,60,000. What if he would have commuted the full value? Full value if he would have commuted. So I am writing commuted. If you would have commuted the full 6,000, it would be how much? So you all will cross multiply 6,000 into 3,60,000 upon 3,600. So you will get 6 lakh rupees is the full value of commuted pension. Any problem over here? Now, what they are saying, he has also received gratuity. If he has received gratuity under section 1010A, 1/3 is exempt. 1/3 of what? 1/3 of the full value of commuted pension. So, exemption under section 1010A is 1/3 of what? Full value of commuted pension, which is nothing but 1/3 of 6 lakhs, which you will get. 2 lakhs will be exempt, is the exempt amount. Okay. They are asking what? He also receives 2 lakhs as gratuity. That is not important. They are asking you taxable value of the commuted pension. So how much is the commuted pension? Commuted pension. What is the lump sum? Not the full value. What is the commuted pension? He has received lump sum 3,60,000. What is the exempt amount? Yes, you found out 2 lakh rupees. So what is the taxable value? Amount received minus exemption will give you the taxable pension. Got it? Any problem? Okay. Any questions? Put it in the chat box. Easy, we are going extremely slow. Okay. Perfect. Very good, guys. See, these kind of questions come for 1 mark. I want you all to please keep chatting with me on the chat box. We are doing a live lecture. Okay. Keep liking, subscribing so that I know that you all are finding this topic interesting. Can we go to the next one? This is important. This is grade pay. Hit the like button if you are understanding. I cannot figure out if all of you all are understanding. Hit the like button. We can move ahead. Now, I had explained to you all what is grade pay last time. Grade pay is when employees get a certain pay scale. Okay, so if I joined a government job, nobody is going to do my review. I know if I stay for 1 year more, I will get an increment. That increment is also fixed. Okay, so there are grades. One is the base salary, one is the increased amount. Now see here. Anjana joins a service in the grade of 15,600 and 39,100 plus grade pay of 6,000 on 1/8/2020. He also gets a dearness allowance or 225% of his salary. His tax liability for assessment year 21-22 will be dash. Okay, now grade pay, they have told you it is 15,600. If he completes 1 year, Anjan completes 1 year, he will get how much? Plus 6,000. Plus 6,000. He also gets a dearness allowance of 225% of a salary. What is dearness allowance? Dearness allowance is Mengai Bhatta. Okay, basically to combat inflation. To combat inflation, they give you a dearness allowance. This dearness allowance is always a percentage of your basic. So first you have to find out the basic. Then you add the dearness allowance, which is how much? 225% of his salary. When they say salary, it is understood, it is basic salary. So what is his tax liability? We have to find out. Don't get scared. This question, I don't know, a lot of students have a doubt about. Let's do it together. So first, 15,600 is his base salary. He is going to get an increment of how much? 6,000. Correct? Now, what will be the total that we can find out? 21,600. Now, please understand. This is his salary for 1 month. What we need to understand is his tax liability for the year 21-22. So what will be the previous year? 2021. Now, if he has joined in 1/8/2020, okay, he joined on 1/8/2020. Let's understand. When will he get his increment? So if he joined on 1/8/2020, he will get his next increment on 1/8/2021. But we are not concerned with 1/8/2021. Why? Because it is outside my financial year. What are they asking me? Simple question they are asking me. Okay, this is my previous year. Now, my previous year 2021 means from 1/4/2020 to 31st March 2021. Agreed? That is going to be my previous year. So if he is joined in August, September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March, these are going to be the 8 months that he will be taxed in the year 2020-2021. Important, pay attention. 8 months he will be taxed. Okay. He will be taxed for 8 months. Why 8 months? He joined in August. So how can you tax him before that? He didn't earn any salary before that. Correct? So he'll be taxed from August to March. Now, if he's going to be taxed for 8 months, we saw his salary 21,600. Now multiply that into 8 months. This will be his salary, which is equal to basic salary 1,72,800. Plus he will get a dearness allowance which is 225%. So in your calci put 1,72,800 plus into 225%. What you will get is 3,88,800. So this is going to be his total salary. This is going to be his total salary. Now, whatever amount you get, okay, so please add these amounts. What is be his gross salary? I want to understand what will be his gross salary, everyone. Basic plus dearness allowance will be his gross salary. Okay, students are asking me where will I get the PDF? Join the Telegram group. The questions are shared on the Telegram group. Okay, join the Telegram group. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You will get all the information. Okay, calci. Open your calci. Open your calci. I want you to give me the answer. What is the gross salary? Harshil? Hussein? What is the gross salary? I'm not doing it. I want you to give me the answer. Basic plus DA. This is my answer. This is the gross salary. Okay. Now, we studied after gross salary, you get 3 deductions. 3 deductions under section 16. Those who remember, come on. First is a standard deduction. Full 50,000 you'll get as a deduction. Standard deduction. Second, professional tax if he is a professional. I don't see he is a professional. If he was a professional, 2,500 rupees per annum. Okay. And if he was a government employee, he will get entertainment allowance. If he has received, he can claim that as a deduction. I don't see if he is a government employee, and I don't even see if he has received entertainment allowance. If he had received entertainment allowance, we would have taken a deduction of that as well. So my taxable salary will be 5,11,600. Any problem? Come on. Are you with me? 5,16,100 is the taxable salary. They are asking you, read the question. His tax liability. They are not asking you his taxable salary. They are asking you what is the tax payable by him. Come on. So if you have come till here, let's go ahead. Now for this, you all need to understand. So once you've got taxable salary, I am solving it over here. Tax liability. For it's an individual. What is the tax slab? 0 to 2.5 lakhs exempt. 2.5 to 5 lakhs. It is 5%. 5 lakhs and above. So yes, 5 lakhs and above. Kitna is iska salary? 5,11,600 is the salary. That is how much? 5, 20, 30. That is become the tax slab now. So what is between the slab over here? 2,50,000 to 5 lakh. What is the slab in between? It is a 2.5 lakh slab. Correct? What is the amount in between? So you will say 5% of this will be 12,500. Okay. What will be your 5,16,000? So what will be the amount over here? 11,600. Okay, now solve this. Give me my phone. Okay, so now solve this. Come on, 11,600 into 20%. 2320. Come on. 2320. So total amount will be how much? 14,820. Okay. Now there is a rebate available of 12,500 if you are earning up to 5 lakhs. This person is earning above 5 lakhs, so he will not be able to claim a rebate. If he was earning up to 5 lakhs, instead of 5 lakh 11,600, his salary was 5 lakhs, he could have claimed a rebate under 87A, but that also he can't claim. So this will be the taxable salary plus 4% cess. On your calci, put 4% cess. So the amount total will be 15,413. Now you can't go to the tax authorities with chiller, with 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupee. They are saying round it off to the nearest 0, 10. Round it off to the nearest 10. So we have rounded it off to 15,410. Okay, if it was 5 and above, we would have made it 15,420. Got it? Come on. Any doubts? Put it in the chat box. You all understood? I think most of you all have understood. I can see it in the chats. If you all have understood, hit the like button so that I can move to the next one. Come on. How did we get 11,600? Good question. What is the slab? See, the slabs are 0 to 2.5 lakhs. Then it is 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs. So what is 5 lakhs minus 2.5? This minus this. 5 lakhs minus 2.5. What is the slab in the middle? It is 2.5. Similarly, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs is the next slab. But I have not reached 10 lakhs. Where have I reached? 5 lakh, 11,600. Correct? So I will, what is in between 11,600? Subtract. You will get 20. So whatever you get will be 20% of that. 5, 20, 30. Okay. Perfect. Another 10 seconds. Have any doubts? Put it in the chat box. Those who have understood, hit the like button. We are going to the next question. Fast, fast, fast. Come on. We are doing exam MCQs. These are coming in the exam. Get up, guys. Can't be slow. You have questions, put it in the chat box. You can't see my screen. Voice is breaking. Whatever is happening, put it in the chat box. Come on. Interact. Those who have understood, hit the like button. Come on. Those who have not understood, hit the chat box. Done. We are doing the next question now. Brilliant. Come on. Those who have understood, we are going to the next one. Hit the chat, hit the like button. Come on. Now the next one. Joy Limited transfers a Honda City car to its employee Happy after using it for 4 years and 10 months for 2,10,000. The cost of the car is 10 lakhs. The value of taxable perquisite in the hands of Happy is dash. Now please understand what is happening over here. Happy is very happy because Happy is receiving a car. Happy is happy because Happy is receiving a car. Okay. So Joy Limited transfers a car. Lelo gives a car. It is not giving you only it is just not giving you only the right to travel in the car. It is giving you the car for your own good. So it is transferring an asset. We had seen two things. We had seen use of movable car. That is different. Remember, there was one, the engine capacity. We have to see who's paying the petrol. Okay, then we saw 1600, 900, numbers like these, 2400. Nothing of this sort right now. What we are doing is we are transferring the car. So transfer of an asset. Transfer of an asset. There were three things. Transfer of an asset. If it's an electronic, 50% depreciation have to take, written down value. Okay. If it is transfer of a motor car, it is 20% WDV. If it is transfer of furniture, it is 10% SLM basis. कुछ याद आ रहा है? Do you recollect? Come on, let's start. So 10 lakhs. The value of the car. Cost of asset is 10 lakhs. You have to take what? 20% written down value. Okay, so what is 20% written down value? Every year you are going to take 2 lakh rupees. 2 lakh rupees as depreciation. Now, for how many years you will take? He has used the car for 4 years, 10 months. I had told you in these questions, when there is a transfer of an asset, full year depreciation to be taken. If it is not a full year depreciation, you will not take it. If it is not a full year depreciation, you will not take it. No, my screen is stuck.
Enter on that.
Okay, I think it's started. Okay, we are on the questions now. So we are going to take a 20% WDV. What is 20% WDV? Every year 20% will reduce. What is most important, for how many years you have to take it? Okay, you have to take it for 4 years and not for 4 years, 10 months or 5 years. You can't do proportionate basis when you're doing a transfer of asset depreciation. Okay. Subtract, you'll get. Here it's already solved in front of you. Now, what happens by the 4th year, the value of the car is 4,09,600. First year, second year, third year, fourth year. 4 years ka depreciation. But how much did he pay for? He paid 2,10,000. So you will subtract amount recovered. So what is the benefit he received? 1,99,600. This is the value of the car, value of perquisite. This is the amount paid. So this is the amount taxable or benefit received. Got it? Next one. Ramesh, a employee of Gauri and Company of Delhi, received the following payments during the previous year. Basic is 2,40,000. DA is 40% of basic. 40% forming part of salary. Rent-free unfurnished accommodation provided by the employer, for which rent paid by employer is 50,000. Okay, now let's see this. You have to find the value of taxable perquisite, the value of taxable perquisites in the hands of Ramesh. Basically, you have to find the value of the perquisite. Let's understand. He received basic so much, dearness so much. He received rent-free unfurnished accommodation. You have to find the value of the accommodation. This is very easy. This is in the city of Delhi. City becomes very important. So you will take how much? 15% of salary. So what you'll do? Or higher charges. Now see here. Rent paid is 50,000. So all you have to do is 15% of salary or higher charges, whatever is lower. Come on. Rent paid is 50k. 15% of salary. So let's see. What is the salary? Basic. Received the following during the previous year. 2,40,000 plus dearness allowance. 40% of basic and 40% forming part of salary. So you will take 40 and then you will take 40 of 40. 15%. So let's do this. Dear, 40% of basic, 40% forming part of salary. Into Now come on. 2.4 lakhs. How do you take this salary? So see here. 40% of basic. So you will do this. Do it with me. 2,40,000 into 40%. You will get 96,000. But they are saying 40% forming part of the salary. So though it is dearness allowance is 40%, only 40% is a part of the salary. So you take 40% of that. You take 40% of 96k. So you will get how much? 38,400. Okay. You will get how much? 15% of 2,78,400. That comes up to 41,760. You compare it with the higher charges, whichever is lower. Okay. So what is the amount? Taxable value 41,760. Okay, it is right in front of you. Please see. Those who don't understand, it's in front of your screen. Okay, those who like or can get it, please hit the like button. I won't understand otherwise. Hit the like button. Okay, we are doing the next question now. Anyone has questions on this one? Rent-free accommodation. Rent-free accommodation. Any questions? Put it on the chat box. Those who can understand, hit the like button. Come on. We are going to the next one. 10 seconds, we are going to the next one. Very nice question, one of my favorite. Husaina, can you understand? You have questions, put it in the chat box. Okay. Children education allowance received by an employee from his employer is rupees 80 per month per child for 3 children. What is the exemption amount? Okay. Exemption under section 1014 is rupees 100 per month per child, max 2 children. Correct? This is the provision. I am revising the provision with you all. Correct? Okay. So now he has 3 children. So amount received. You can't do 240 rupees. You have to do amount received per child. How much he has received? 80 rupees. How much is the exemption? 100 rupees. So how much will be exempted? 80. You can't exempt. If he's receiving 100, how can you exempt 100? If he's receiving 80, how can you exempt 100? Whatever he is receiving, you will give an exemption. Correct? 0. For how many children? For 2 children. But for the third one, for 2 children only, it is exempt. For the third one, 80 per month will become taxable. Correct? Taxable. So for the whole year, how much amount will be taxable? Now, what some of you all do? 240 rupees is receiving minus 200 rupees, 40 rupees is taxable. No. 80 rupees is taxable. You have to take per child basis. Okay? Important. Got it? Correct. So 960 rupees. I don't want you to do stupid mistakes by saying 240 rupees is receiving, 200 is exempt. No, it is 100 per child exempt. So third child, he has to pay by default whatever he receives. Okay? Perfect. Chalo, next one. Those who are understanding, those who are getting it, hit the like button. I know you all understand then. Those who don't understand, put it in the chat box. Next one. Now superannuation. What is the meaning of superannuation? Work more than what is required beyond 60 years. So it is superannuation. Okay. So which of the following is not correct? Employee's contribution qualifies for deduction under 80C. Obviously it does. Interest accumulated is exempted from income tax. Yes. Under some circumstances, payments from the fund are chargeable to income tax. Correct in certain circumstances. Now, amount contributed by the employer is exempt. No, amount what is contributed by the employer is going to be taxed as income from salary in superannuation fund. Okay, this is a theory question. Next one. This is again important. Ashraf is an employee of Moon Public Limited. His daughter Zara is studying in the school at a concessional fees of 1000 rupees. Actual fees is 4000. Amount taxable will be how much? Now see here. 4000 rupees is the actual fees. She is paying only 600 rupees. Correct? So what is the benefit she is receiving? 3400 rupees is the benefit she is receiving per month. So into 12, this is per month. So into 12, this will be 40,800 will be the amount that is taxable. Now this same question, okay, I'll give a little twist. Ashraf is an employee of Moon Public Limited. Daughter Zara is studying and in the school at a concessional fees of 600. Now actual fees, okay, instead of 4000, actual fees is 1200. Okay, I'm just making a little twist and I'm writing it in blue so that you all know that it is a little twist I'm doing. Okay, now if 1200 rupees is per month, so how much benefit she has got? You will say, ma'am, she has got 600 rupees benefit. Now you have to understand. Now if the benefit for education per month is 1000 rupees or less, then the whole amount is exempt. If it is 1000 rupees or less, then whole amount is exempt. If it is more than 1000, full amount is taxable, like what you did over here. Okay, you did the full amount taxable. Whatever is the benefit, you'll do full amount taxable. But over here, if it is 600 per month, then amount that is taxable, amount taxable will be 0. Why? Because if it is less than 1000, then it is fully exempt. Okay, got it? Less than 1000, fully exempt. Any questions on this? Come on. I'm writing it down, less than 1000, fully exempt. Okay. Now I'm going to the next one. Any questions on this? Put it in the chat box. Those who have understood, hit the like button. We'll go to the next one. Solve with me. Don't keep looking. This is very easy. Ashok took a loan of 15,000 from B Limited. Assuming the market rate of interest is 10%, the taxable value of perquisite will be 0. For small loans up to 20,000, it is exempt. For big loans, if taken for medical expenses, is also exempt. Okay. So, Preetham, wait, I'll come back to question 9. Question 10 is easy. Small loans up to 20,000 is exempt. let's go to the 9th question again. Some people have a doubt. Pay attention to what I'm saying. Ashraf is an employee of Moon Public Limited. Daughter Zara is studying. Concessional fees is 600, whereas the actual fees is 4000. So what is the benefit? Perquisite or benefit per month is nothing but 3400. How did I get 3400? 4000 minus 600, correct? Now into 12, so the benefit is actually 40,800, which will be fully taxable. Any problem? So Husaina, you're right, it is 40,800. But now if I would change the question a little bit, I am changing the question. So if I change the numbers, I am changing the numbers. Instead of 4000 per month, the fees would be say 1100 per month. Okay, the fees is 1100 per month. So what is the benefit in that case? The benefit would have been 1100 minus 600, which will be 500 per month. So now if benefit of school fees is less than 1000, exempt, full amount exempt. If benefit is 1000 or more, full amount taxable. Got it? So if the answer was 1100 per month, then the answer would be nil. Then answer is nil. Got it? Now you got it, Preetham? Come on, I'm going to the next one. Please note this down. Actual answer of this question is nothing but, you all are right. The answer is 40,800. Okay, solution is here. Those who have understood, hit the like button. Those who have not understood, put it in the chat box. Preetham, did you understand? Great. Now next one. This is gift from employee. Anything you receive from employee, fully taxable. Anything you receive from employee, fully taxable. Anything you receive from employee, fully taxable. Now you receive a gift from an employee. I had told you how much of the gift is exempt. A gift in excess of 5,000 is fully taxable. Gift in excess of 5,000 is full. So up to 5,000 you can get an exemption, but above 5,000 will be taxable. So he received a watch worth 20,000. How much is exempt? 5,000. Gift worth 5,000 is exempt. Taxable value of the watch will be 15,000. Okay. So 5,000 tak allowed hai. Up to 5,000 of gift is allowed. Come on. You all have any questions, put it in the chat box. I'm Another 15 minutes. We have to complete all the MCQs here. Couple gets a salary of 7,12,000 per month and it is provided with rent-free unfurnished accommodation at Pune. Population is 31 lakhs. If it is 25 lakhs and more, you get 15% of salary. Okay, is the value of the perquisite. House is owned by employer. The fair rental value is 1400 per month. Doesn't matter. All you have to take is 15%. Okay. House was provided with effect from July 2020. Now, first, what is the salary? Couple gets a salary of this 7,12,000. So 7,12,000 is his salary per month. Wow, rich guy. Rich guy. House was provided with effect from July. So let's say if the house is got from July, so you will take July, August, September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 months. He will have to pay a rent or whatever. The actual accommodation he will be charged for 9 months. Okay, this is a typo. It is not 7,12,000. It is only 12,000. Correct, Harshil, you are right. It is 12,000 per month and is provided rent-free accommodation. So all you have to do is 12,000 into 9 months. That is his salary. Okay, into 15%. That will come up to how much? 16,200. Here, has the owner taken it on rent? If it would, then you compare it with the rent that he's paying. Here he is not taking it on rent. Okay, now next one. Come on, question number 13. 2 more questions, then we wrap up. Your income from salary, MCQs also done. Anil is employed in a company with an annual salary of 8,60,000. The company paid income tax of 37,000 on his non-monetary perquisites. He paid 1,20,000 to a recognized provident fund. His total income would be dash. So 8,60,000 is what he is receiving. Now, how much he can get exemption if he is paying money in a recognized provident fund? Up to 1,50,000. He has paid only 1,20,000. So subtract that from his salary. It will be 7,40,000. Now see here. Provides exemption in respect of tax paid on a non-monetary perquisite. Hence, such tax paid shall not form part of salary. I'll explain you what is this. Now, if you see in this question what is happening, employer is paying a salary of 8,60,000. Is paying an employee to Anil. Anil is getting 8,60,000. Anil pays 1,20,000 in his PF. So, Anil can claim a deduction. Now the employer is paying a tax of 37,000 on non-monetary perquisites. What is the meaning of non-monetary perquisites? Employer is providing a gym facility. Employer is providing swimming pool facility. I am not using all that, but employer is being taxed on it. I will not have to be paid. It will not be added to my salary. Why? Because not necessarily the employer is using the gym facility, or let's say some other facilities are provided in the office. I'm not necessarily using it. In that case, they become non-monetary benefits, and what the employer is paying any tax on it, I will not be adding it to my salary. Got it? Now, hence it will be the amount that I receive, 8,60,000 minus, I can claim deduction under 80C of up to 1,50,000, but I've put only 1,20,000, so I'll claim 1,20,000. Rohan retires from private sector and his pension has been fixed as 1,500 per month. He gets half of his pension commuted during January and receives 75,000. So he also gets 60,000 as gratuity, the total pension taxable, including commuted value. So now there are two types of pension. Monthly pension. Rahul retires from private sector, private service on 30th April. So can I say for April he received a salary? Now from May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, he received his full pension of 1,500 per month. This is fully taxable into how many months? 3, 6, 7, 8. Into 8 months. Okay. Okay, into 8 months. So April he is getting a full salary. These are all pension. Okay, then so this 1,500 into 8 comes up to how much? 12,000. Okay, so that will be fully taxable. Monthly pension is fully taxable. Fully taxable. Now, what happened after that? Then you come to Jan. He received monthly pension of only 750. Correct? Feb and March. So in 3 months he received how much? 2,250. So plus 2,250. So total is how much? 14,250 is his monthly pension. In this, he commuted his pension. So what is the meaning of commuted pension? We already saw it. He received for 750, he commuted, he got how much? 75,000. If he would full value of the pension, commuted pension would be how much? You cross multiply, you will get 1.5 lakhs is full value of commuted pension. This is his commuted pension. This is the full value. So full value of commuted pension will be 1.5 lakhs. Okay. He also gets gratuity. If he's got gratuity, how much is exempt? Exempt will be 1/3. So what is 1/3 of 1.5 lakhs? Will be 50,000. Correct? 50,000 is exempt. Remaining 1 lakh is taxable. One minute. So this will be fixed as he gets half of his pension commuted and receives so 1/3 is 50,000. Now one third of what? So amount received minus exempt. So how much has he received? 75,000. Exempt is 50,000. So how much is taxable pension? Commuted pension 25,000. So 14,250 plus 25,000. This will be the total taxable amount. This is taxable value of commuted pension. Okay. Check it out. Are you all with me? If you all have understood, hit the like button. Come on. If you all have not understood, please put it in the chat box. Come on. Next one, the last one for today. Now I want you all to do this. If you all have understood, hit the like button. Government of India paid a salary of 5 lakhs allowance and perquisites valued at 2.2 lakhs to a person who is citizen of India for the services rendered by him outside India for 5 months during the year. His total income chargeable would be now. Okay, wait. Let me just go to the earlier one. There are some people who didn't understand the monthly pension. Okay. Now see, monthly pension. I had told you pension is monthly pension and commuted pension. Pension is of two types, monthly pension, commuted pension. Whatever you receive per month is fully taxable. So now, April he was getting a salary, correct? From May to December. From May to December, he was getting full pension. Read here, Rohan retires and he has been receiving pension at 1500 per month. So that will be fully taxable. Then from January, February, March, what did he do? During Jan, he received 75,000 when he commuted 50% of his pension. So 1500 ka 50% is what? 750. So 750 he commuted. What is the meaning of commuted? Converted to lump sum. But remaining 750 what? He is still getting per month. So those he will get per month. So his monthly pension is how much? Okay. Yes, no. Amount received minus exempt amount. So now, this you all have understood? Okay. Now first you will understood monthly pension. Husaina, you understood what is monthly pension now? Per month what he is getting. For the first month he is getting a salary. For the next 8 months he is getting full pension. For the remaining 3 months he is getting half pension. Because remaining half he has commuted. So Husaina, you understood that? If not, put it in the chat box. Come on. Now how did I get 1/3? It is in the provision itself under section 1010A. If there is gratuity, 1/3 is exempt. So Sham, read the provision. Provision says under section 1010A, 1/3 is exempt. If you all have understood, okay, that's how we got it. Now can I go ahead? Tanisha, you got it? Come on. Brilliant. Come on, next one. Government of India paid a salary of 5 lakhs and allowance at 2.2 lakhs to a person who is citizen of India, rendered services outside India for 5 months. Now, who are these people? There are expats. These are these government officers, government government employees who are working abroad for the government. So what the government says that, listen, when you're going abroad, whatever allowances I give you, okay, that is exempt. Whatever allowances and perquisites I'm giving you is all exempt. What is going to be taxed is only a basic salary. Because see, they are staying abroad, they will get a house, they'll get a car, they might get some other benefits. Those perquisites are all exempt. There are a lot of embassies outside India, okay, foreign embassies where Indians are working for the government. All the perquisites allowances are exempt. So now what you will do is simply, what is his salary? Basic salary is 5 lakhs. What is the standard deduction? 50,000. So 4,50,000 is taxable. Okay, chalo, we are done for today. Any questions? Put it on my WhatsApp. You all have my WhatsApp number. Okay, all my students have the WhatsApp number. Thank you, guys. Those who have understood, found the lecture helpful, hit the like button so that I can take more such sessions. Did you all find the lecture helpful, or was it a waste of your time? If you thought it was helpful, please hit the like button. Thank you, guys. And please join the Telegram channel, those who haven't yet. Bye, guys. You all have doubts, put it on the chat. I'll reply. It is all in the JT groups. Those who are my JT students, you all will have all these notes and much more. Thanks, guys.